So this is day one of solving every single question of Code Chef. Let's begin with this question. This is difficulty of 183, which is like the lowest on the whole platform. So firstly, let's look at the expected output for the given input. And the reason why I'd like to do this first is because it gives us kind of an idea of what needs to be done, and then the actual problem provides us with more context. So let's begin. We have two inputs and one output. Okay, so now let's read the question. You're a bit all over the place as a college student. You used to eat out at expensive restaurants almost every day until your parents gave you a talking to about being irresponsible. Now you got to control your eating and spending habits. Okay, so here's the plan. You'll stick to the college mess for your meals every day except Sundays. On Sundays, you're treating yourself to those fancy restaurant meals. The cost is rupees X for the mess food each day and rupees Y for the restaurant splurge. What's the cost of food per week? Note that you don't have to pay for the mess on Sundays. A week has 7 days as usual. So obviously we need to multiply X with 6 because there are 6 days in which we're going to eat the food from mess, and then one day is like a cheat day on Sundays. So effectively, what we need to do is define two variables, X and Y, and then take their input, and you can see input format. The first and only line of input contains two space separated integers X and Y, which is what we're going to do. So add sin and X and Y, right? And then next output format, output a single integer, the weekly cost of food. So again, we need to multiply X with 6. I'm just going to create a variable, call it cost or total cost, and then the cost is equal to X into 6 plus Y is the cost of the food from the restaurant, which we only need to spend on Sundays. And then just output that, and now we'll run this, and this should work. Let's see. So okay, we get the same output as it is expected for the given input, which is great. Now let's check a different set of output. So let's say it cost us 300 and 500. So, and then we'll run this, which gives us 2000, which gives us 2300. Perfect. So this works, right? Now let's just submit this, and there you go. So the result of all the test cases was correct. And yeah, that's it.